What if I told you that a tech giant like Google won a Nobel Prize in chemistry? Sounds wild, right? But get this, in 2024, they actually did, and it's because they helped build a tool so powerful, it's changing medicine forever. That's right, the Nobel Prize in chemistry celebrated something truly revolutionary, the mind-blowing power of artificial intelligence. This prestigious award went to Demis, Hassabis and John Jumper from Google DeepMind, alongside David Baker from the University of Washington. Their collective genius has absolutely transformed how we understand and use proteins, those tiny molecular machines essential for all life. Before these breakthroughs, trying to figure out a protein's 3D shape was like solving a super complex puzzle blindfolded, slow, expensive, and incredibly difficult. But then came AlphaFold 2, Google DeepMind's AI marvel. This incredible deep learning system can predict protein structures with astonishing, nearly perfect accuracy, basically doing in minutes what used to take years. Think about that, it's already mapped out over 200 million proteins, information that's now fueling research for millions of scientists worldwide. AlphaFold 2 isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a turbocharger for real-world breakthroughs. In drug development, scientists can now see exactly how a disease-causing protein folds and moves. It allows them to design medicines that lock onto those proteins like a key in a perfectly cut lock. This has slashed years off drug discovery timelines and opened the door to treatments for diseases that were once considered undruggable. And it doesn't stop at medicine. AlphaFold 2 is helping researchers discover enzymes that can literally eat plastic, breaking down waste that would otherwise sit in landfills and oceans for hundreds of years. By understanding these enzymes at the atomic level, scientists can engineer them to work faster, stronger, and at industrial scale. Even the global antibiotic resistance crisis, one of the biggest threats to modern medicine, is being tackled head-on. AlphaFold 2 allows researchers to analyze bacterial proteins in unprecedented detail, revealing weak points that new antibiotics can target. That means smarter drugs, fewer superbugs, and a fighting chance against infections that are becoming harder and harder to treat. And the brilliance didn't stop there? David Baker's groundbreaking Rosetta algorithm took things a step further. Instead of just predicting existing proteins, Rosetta can design entirely new ones from scratch. Imagine creating custom-built proteins that could mimic photosynthesis to give us clean energy. Or microscopic nanocages that precisely deliver life-saving drugs right where they're needed in your body. How about tiny sensors that light up when they detect cancer cells, giving us earlier diagnoses? This is the first time in history a Nobel Prize has been given for an AI-enabled scientific breakthrough, and it's a monumental moment. It proves that AI isn't just for chatbots or self-driving cars anymore. It's now a frontline scientist, sifting through mountains of data to make discoveries that humans couldn't dream of alone. This incredible partnership between AI and human ingenuity is accelerating drug discovery like never before, paving the way for personalized medicine, tailored just for you. The future of science isn't just coming, it's already here, solving some of our biggest health and environmental challenges. This isn't just a science story, it's a game changer for humanity. What do you think this means for our future? If you enjoyed this video and want more mind-blowing science and AI stories like this, smash that like button, share it with someone who loves tech or medicine, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. The future is moving fast, and we're breaking it down right here. Click on the screen to watch our video on the weight of your soul, it's one you don't want to miss.